Hello students, today I am going to demonstrate about traveling microscope. How to take reading from traveling microscope and why it is so necessary to use in experiments. In this laboratory, few experiments we need to measure very small vertical or horizontal distance with high accuracy. Suppose about 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter. So that's when we use this traveling microscope or Vernier microscope. This has essentially a compound microscope, and this apparatus is well suited for this purpose. So here we first give a short description of this instrument. Then we shall illustrate its use and how the measurement work. And here one vertical scale is attached and another horizontal scale is attached. So whenever we are going to measure the vertical distance, we are going to use this scale, and whenever the distance about horizontal, we are going to use this scale. And this is the compound microscope which can be moved independently through horizontal distance and vertical distance. There are screws attached to move it. So, whenever we are measuring a horizontal length difference or a horizontal distance difference, then we need to consider this horizontal scale, and we have to move this screw for tighten of this position. So we need to move this screw anti-clockwise so that it will loose and we can move it easily through horizontal axis. For vertical length measurement or any vertical distance measurement, we have to loose this screw and we can easily move this telescope upwards as well as downwards. That means vertical movement. This apparatus is called spirit level. We use this apparatus to make sure that our traveling microscope is placed on a plane surface. If the bubble of spirit level is at middle position, that means it is in plane surface. These two, this one and these two are leveling screws. If we found that the traveling microscope is not in plane, we need to fix these two screws to make it in plane. So we need to focus first. We need to focus through eyepiece the image of the material. We are going to measure the horizontal distance or vertical distance. That should be focused first. Whenever focus is done, then only we will look for the scale. Now you can see there is a linear scale running in centimeter unit and a small additional scale. This is called Vernier scale. So Vernier scale means there are some few divisions only. In Vernier scale of this traveling microscope, there are 50 number of divisions. And in centimeter scale, we can see that 0 to 1, there are 20 number of divisions. So one small division of traveling microscope is 0.05 centimeter. Now, what will be the reading? How to take reading? Reading will be first reading Vernier 0 or the arrow sign you can see indicates us the main scale reading. So here we can see that it is indicating in between 4 and 5. It is 4.55. The number line of 40 is clearly coinciding with main scale. So we can take Vernier scale reading as 40. Here it is marked as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 because it has been multiplied by Vernier constant. Consider 0.1 means 10, 0.2 means 20, 0.3 means 30. Vernier scale means number of divisions only. So whenever we are going to take reading from traveling microscope, we are going to use this magnifying lens. It will help us to take accurate reading. Now, for better understanding, if you see the diagram of vertical scale of traveling microscope, the linear scale runs from, in centimeter unit, from 0 to 1, there are 20 number of divisions. And in Vernier scale, 0 to 50, only 50 number of divisions. That means in Vernier scale, one division is 1 unit. But Vernier scale has no unit. Now, how to take reading? To take reading, the first division of Vernier scale, wherever it will coincide with main scale. So we can take that is at main scale reading. Suppose the Vernier 0 is coinciding with main scales reading, that is 2. So we can easily take main scale reading as 2. But if it is not coinciding, suppose 0 is in between 2 and 2.5. This is 2, this is 2.5, in between 2.5. So we can take 2 as well as 2.5. No harm on that. Any one we can take. No problem. Next, what will be Vernier scale reading? Vernier scale reading is a clear coincidence in between main scale and Vernier scale. One reading of main scale that must be coinciding will be in same line. So we can see it is in between 10 and 20. So it is 15. So our Vernier scale reading will be 15 and MSR will be either 2 or 2.5. After taking main scale reading and Vernier scale reading, we have to calculate total reading. Total reading will be main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading into Vernier constant. So what is Vernier constant? Vernier constant is equals to 1 minus y by x into small n. What is y, what is x and what is small n? If we know, we can easily calculate the Vernier constant. X is total number of Vernier scale divisions. So I already told the total number of Vernier scale division is 50. So x equals to 50 and y is x minus 1 always. So y will be 50 minus 1, that is 49. And what is small n? Small n is smallest division of main scale. Smallest division means particularly one division, how much unit. So we know that 0 to 1 there are 20 number of divisions. That means 1 divided 20, that is our smallest unit. So that is 0.05 centimeter. So now we can easily calculate Vernier constant. 1 minus 49 by 50 into 0.05. That means 1 by 50 into 0.05. So our Vernier constant will be 0.001 centimeter. So, we can easily calculate the total. So, our main scale reading is 2, Vernier scale reading is 15 and Vernier constant is 0.001. We will put values and we can calculate total reading. So, this is how we will take reading using travelling microscope.